everyone, well we have taken the day off and we are in Bristol.
Bristol? I've never been to Bristol.
Yeah, and we're at the mall at Causeway, so we're going to go off and have just a little mooch around the shops, get some lunch, celebrate day off together.
Day off?
Yeah.
Yay! And we're going to go shopping.
We're going to go shopping.
I'm so excited.
And it's also Valentine's Day tomorrow, so we're going to enjoy today instead, just so that it's not so busy.
Yeah.
And
be nice, wouldn't it?
It'd be nice, yeah.
Nothing like walking around a nice air-conditioned shopping centre on a beautiful sunny day.
Anyway, we're going to bring you with us and show you what we get up to.
That was sarcasm, by the way.
I know.
Oh,
Yeah.
right. Sometimes she doesn't get my sarcasm. Right, let's go.
Let's go.
Mary's all locked up. She's alarmed up. She's all CCTV'd up. TV'd up.
CCTV'd up. Is she locked? I don't know.
Might help if we locked it.
Yeah. Let's go, mister.
A bit like blue water.
Yeah, it's not as good as blue water though. Blue water's definitely the best that I've ever been to. Apart from Malaysia, when you go to malls and there are 8 floors.
Can you buy burritos in there?
I don't know, we'll have a look.
Is it a burrito store? That's what I want.
Let's have a look. We'll go and see. Mel needs to get some more clothes because he's starting to look a little scruffy around the edges.
Well, considering I've not bought any new clothes for about 4 years.
Yeah, so we're gonna get some new clothes for Mel. Are you having fun yet?
Oh yeah. Becky's in here to do some girly stuff, so I'm going to go and see if I can find some manly stuff to look at.
He needs some jeans.
Yeah, jeans basically. Let's see you later. Have fun.
Bye. So here we are, this is the foundation and concealer. Looking good so far. What do you guys think? We're going to do the whole shebang.
Working in like a 3 shape. 3, okay. That just helps me figure it out. 3 shape. 3. Right on the knees of those. I should be on YouTube. And I'm going to go for a neutral blush. Neutral cream blush. And this is going to go on the apple.
Because of the shaped face that I have?
Because of that's how we naturally blush. Oh, okay. That's where we naturally get colour. banging up the goodies. Beautiful.
Thank you very much.
That's all right.
That was awesome. I just want to pay
That
for
was
it.
really fun.
Well, you'll have to watch out because it'll be on YouTube now.
Oh
so.
dear. Lovely.
We've finished off at the mall. We went and had some lunch after we finished having my makeup session done. Mel looked at getting some jeans, but they were a little pricey. So we are actually headed in the van from Bristol and we're going to zoom up the motorway to Swindon, to the outlet centre. And we were just talking, we have just narrowly missed getting hit from a large truck. They were coming round, didn't see us, cut us up. So it's a beautiful afternoon. We've had a really lovely day together, haven't we?
Yeah, lovely day so far.
Yeah. We sometimes forget to take time out for ourselves. And yeah, we've had a really lovely day. Probably wouldn't repeat lunch again, but we are trying to find some places that we can still eat out and still be keto friendly, and it does limit you, but we're going to give it a go. We're going to carry on driving. I'm going to not distract Mel, and we will see you at MacArthur Glen. So here we are back home. I didn't film anything of us being at the outlet centre. I thought I would show you what I got at Space NK. So it was at the Mall Cribs Causeway. There's the phone number in case you want to book in or book online. It was called Makeup Masterclass, and Abbie, bless her, she spent just over an hour with me doing the whole makeup, and then she wrote this card out so that should I want any of the additional items that she tried on me, I could go ahead and purchase them later. I did get these few things just to start up with my makeup collection. So this is by Rose Inc. and their packaging is recyclable and refillable. All of their makeup is refillable. So this is the cheek and lip tint in Heliotrope, which is this beautiful cream blush. Then I got a cream contour bronzer in Seychelles, which again is really beautiful brown colour. It's a very natural brown, and she told me to put that on my face in a 3, which is what you saw earlier when we were joking about 3. I got a tinted moisturiser in SPF 30 and the colour is Norwich Light. That's really light. It doesn't feel like you're wearing anything at all. Then a NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. A Hourglass little eyeshadow, which is the one that you see in the video. All these products are the ones that Abbie put on me. And an Hourglass, a eyebrow pen, I think it is. Brow Sculpting Pencil in Soft Brunette. So yeah, I didn't buy much because I'm just dipping my toes into learning about makeup. But yeah, can't thank Abbie enough. She was a star. If you book a makeup masterclass with Space NK, it's £45 for an hour's makeup session, and then you get that refunded if you buy any makeup items. This video isn't sponsored, but I just enjoyed my experience so much that I thought that I would share it with you all. And if you've got a lovely lady in your life who would just like to feel special and pretty, then I highly recommend booking her in for a makeup session to either explore new makeup or a new look. And honestly, even if you don't buy anything and you just do the session, it's really, really lovely to have that happen to you as a surprise or as a little gift, because it's not often that we women spend that time or effort on ourselves. Maybe some do, but I for one didn't. I really loved the experience that I had at Space NK. Highly recommend Space NK, and if you're lucky enough to be in the Bristol area, then please go say hi and book in with Abbie. She was an absolute star, and I hope to be back there very soon to top up with my makeup collection and ask her further advice. I'm going to leave the video here, and I hope you enjoyed something a little bit different today. Take care, guys.